Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up like the world's most affordable beauty box. It's less than $7. I think it's $6.97 to be exact. And that includes shipping. I think really all you pay is shipping, or so they say. It's the Walmart beauty box. So I think it's totally worth it. I haven't peeked to see what we get this season, but it is a seasonal beauty box. It's like around $7. I will link it down below if you are interested. And you get some full-size items in here and then a lot of deluxe size as well. I think it's great. I would love to know your thoughts, but yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's get this open. I'm excited. So I think we have variations. So Beauty Box Summer 2023. Version 4 or variation 4. If you received a different variation, will you guys leave a comment and let us know what you got, if it was different, so we can know. But I think they do provide a little sheet inside that'll let you see all of the items or some of the other items. Let's look. Summer Lovin' is the theme. Oh, it looks like they have some special boxes. We'll look at that at the end if I remember. Beach, Beauty, and Beyond. Yeah, they list a bunch of things here. You don't get all of these, but these are possible for the variations. But sometimes I get items that aren't listed here. So it says, grab your sunglasses and SPF because this season's hottest products have arrived. From days in the sun to nights around the bonfire, keep protected and polished with summer-ready skin, hair, and nail care. Revamp your routine and pamper yourself with these top beauty picks. Nice, let's get started. Let's start with the full-size looking items. Oh, nice. You guys, I actually have run out of all face serums. I used to have like a stockpile. So this is a face serum, so I'm really excited. By number 7, Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Clinically proven. Suitable for sensitive skin. So wait, you get a full, yeah, you get a full ounce in here. Definitely full size. Let's see, does it say the pricing in here? Oh, I think this might be, oh, here it is. It says the product may vary, but a lot of boxes did get a face serum. In the full-size version, yeah, the retail value is between $19.99 and $24.80. So you definitely get your money's worth and then some with the first item. I'm excited to try this. So, Restore and Renew. I'll have to look online. So it doesn't come with the box that lists all the ingredients, but you can just scan this little QR code here and look it up and see what's in there. I'm going to do that because I'm curious. I like to know what I'm putting on my face, but I am excited about this. Yay! And then this would be considered full size as well, right? Sally Hansen Salon Pro Brush Kit. There are 3 brushes in here. There's a glitter ingredient brush, a fan brush, and a cleanup brush. Nice. I get dip manicures. But I feel like this would be nice. Like, I do paint my own toes usually, but like to have a little brush to clean up, like with the acetone or like nail polish remover, that would be nice. So I might put this in a future giveaway. I don't know, but I still think the idea of this is super cool. What do you do with the fan brush on your nails? Is it like help you make the designs, or that's the great? I don't know. I'm not, I mean, I love having my nails done, but I'm not great at doing my own. I haven't tried a lot. Okay, it gives you steps, how to get the look. That is a cool look, isn't it? It says choose 2 of your favorite Sally Hansen polishes. I'm sure you can use any polish, but it makes sense they would, you know, support their own. Apply 1 coat of base color to the entire nail. Apply an accent color to the top half, and then you use the glitter ingredient brush to blend the polish. Okay. Oh, base color coat. Okay, I was just saying base coat at first. Interesting. I feel like I could do that. I don't know if it would look that's good, but. Okay, awesome. Let's see, is there a price here? I'm just curious. $10.30. More than the box. So yeah, I think this box is so worth it. Oh, I'm super excited about this because I feel like the only bronzer I use is like expired. So we got bronzer by Physicians Formula. I really like their butter bronzer. And this is their butter bronzer in, what is it, just a shade bronzer? Mini, I think it's just like the original shade. This has the full size would be $16. This is not full size, but these little guys last forever. Oh, I'm excited. I need more newer makeup in my life. I haven't been getting as many beauty boxes, and things expire, you know, like, because I have stuff from like years ago. I used to have one of these. Does it still smell good? Yeah. It was like coconut, beachy. And let's do a little swatch. Can you see it there? What I like about this too is that it's buildable. Like, let's just keep going. Can you tell? I could see, but I feel like it's not really showing up on camera, but that's actually good that it's just slightly like darker than my color. I like how it smells. Normally I wouldn't want like fragrance on my face, but this only goes, you know, certain areas. Doesn't bother me. I'm probably like most excited about this and the serum, but we're not done. Oh my God, this is definitely full size too, and this is by Covergirl. Clean, fresh, yummy gloss. Oh my God, I'm really excited about this. This is in the shade My Straw Booty. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is a lot of full-size items. 3 full-size items in a $7 box. So these shades vary, but this is $7.98. So this is more than the box value too. Oh, I hope it smells like strawberries. Let's see. Oh, it has a big doe foot applicator. It does. Oh, and yeah, it just has a light pink shine. I'm super excited about this too. Oh my God, I just want to keep smelling everything. Yay! And then the last item here is a mascara by Maybelline, the Falsies Surreal. So this isn't full size, but I like getting this size mascara because it still lasts a long time. And mascara, I try and replace it every few months like you're supposed to, because that's like one of the few makeup items like I try and stay vigilant on. It's like recommended for everyone. I don't know. Oh, the full size would be $9.99, so this is probably like half that price. Awesome. I've never tried this kind, and it is in very black. I think this is one of the best we've gotten. Like, I feel like there might be fewer items than we get sometimes, but the ones where we get more items are like little packets and stuff. Like, there's no packets, like, you know, like little samples in here. These are all multi-use, multiple month use items, literally. Like, the 2 things that are smaller can last months. And then we have 2 deluxe and 3 full size. You guys, this is awesome. What do you think? I like every single item. Like, the one item I probably won't use is the nail kit, realistically, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I think it's a really cool thing. It's like, I don't have anything like it. I have a lot of things, so I like stuff like that. But I think my favorite things are the bronzer, the gloss, and the serum. If I had to pick one, I'm probably the most excited about the bronzer. But I'm excited about all of them. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Again, I will link Walmart Beauty Box. I pay for this one myself. I forgot to mention that. I try and say that in the beginning. But yeah, this is, you know, obviously not sponsored, not gifted. I paid for this myself. I think it's worth it. I want to know if you think so and if you got anything different. But thank you guys so much for being here with a quick little beauty box unboxing. I hope you guys are well. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.